What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Chris Moore, and today's the day, boys. Yeah, you've been waiting on it. Sunday. So anyways, we're loading up. We're fixing to put Bessie in the truck, and we are headed off to Shady Side Dragway. Yeah, that's right, boys. One of our favorites. It's about 50 minutes from here at home, and we're gonna be going to do some testing on Bessie today. We're about to throw some MR12 in it and go test this thing out for the first time ever with the new swing arm, see how it does, and then we're hitting the road going to Florida to go check out Panda and the street race guys down in Mexico. All right, guys, stay with us. We're about to gas up, load up, and we're headed out. Here we go. Hellcat giving her hell. So anyways, look at here, guys. I think I might have found a rider smaller than Ricky Gatson. This young, how old are you, man? 10 years old, riding a KTM 450. What do you think about that, guys? Give them a big thumbs up, give them a shout out in the video. 10 years old, rocking a KTM 450 out here at Shady Side Dragway. Ricky Gatson, we ain't forgot about you. We didn't go to the playground looking for our rider. We are back here at Shady Side Dragway. First pass ever on Bessie. Woo, she a killer. Bessie was flying that fast. For first time ever, I didn't really know where to leave at on it. I just kind of guessed. Now, I know the time slip is super light. You guys probably can't see it. Anyways, 146, 60 foot, 405, 330, 623 at 113. 623, 113 miles an hour, boys. That's pretty solid for the first pass ever, just on a guess. I got the 45 2 sprocket on it, 1545. Might be a 16. Anyways, yeah, 1545 on the rear. I think if I went to a 46, it would definitely help it. The 46, remember, it wheelied with the stock wheelbase. Well, now we were leaving, that was about an 8,500 RPM launch. We're gonna turn it up to around 10 the next pass and see how it does. I'm gonna predict 619 next pass. Alright, boys, pass 2 in the books. 9,500 RPM launch. Got us a 617 at 114 miles per hour. I just checked the tire pressure on it. We only had like 6 PSI in the rear tire from where I was practicing in the parking lot the other day. So I just put some air in the tire. We bumped it up to 15. I think that should be good for some more ET. We're gonna try it about 10.5 this time. We had a 146 60 foot. I'm also gonna get you some coverage of this kid riding his KTM 450. This dude is flying. He just outrun a Hayabusa a while ago. I can't believe it. Anyways, Mrs. Moore Mafia, we got new video camera for her. She says she's struggling, so hopefully the footage comes out good. I'm getting better on the launch. That was 10.5 that time, 143 60 foot, 605 at 115, boys. She flying. Bessie, whoever thought Bessie would grow up and be like this? We might, man, who knows, get a 5-second pass today. We'll see, fingers crossed. He's picking on me. He gave me the bad lane that time. He taught me into getting the bad lane. We're gonna rematch in just a second. Sunday is in the books. 6:05 was the best pass with Bessie. That's pretty impressive for sure. I feel like I can definitely get the all-elusive 599 out of it by doing a sprocket change. It's got a 45 on it now, like we talked about earlier. I think I can put a 46 on it, and that will give me just enough to squeak a 599. It ain't going way in the fives, but it is gonna be capable of doing a 599 on motor. Anyways, we're thinking about putting nitrous on Bessie. We'll see how it goes. Just a little small, like a 30 shot or something. What do you guys think it's capable? What did you think Bessie was gonna be capable of to start with? Did you think 6.0s was gonna be possible on the first day ever at the track with a swing arm? I'm pretty impressed with that. I think it did good. So anyways, if you're not already, guys, subscribe to the channel. We're on the quest for 50,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We got a little over a month left. Thank you so much for all the support so far. Smash that like button on today's video. We'll see you next time, guys.